What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. In today's video we're doing our first oil change on the 2023 Kia Forte GT line. So this is the 4-cylinder 2-liter engine. I'm going to show you guys all the parts needed and I'll also link them in the description below. Let's get into this oil change. Alright guys, so here are the things that we're going to be using for today's little DIY. We got the Mobil 1 full synthetic 5-quart jug 5W20. Somewhere to pour the oil out. Right here we have this universal removal for the filter. A size 17 socket for your drain plug. A Kia Hyundai filter that I bought today at the Kia dealer for $13. A pair of gloves, a microfiber towel, and something to get underneath of the car. All of these stuff I'll also link in the description. If you guys want to buy on Amazon, I'll put the links in the description below. So let's get underneath the car from the bottom. I had it warm up for a little bit. Let's get underneath and I'll show you guys where's what. Alright, so if you come in from the front, first you're going to see the filter right there. And if you continue going back, you're going to see right there your bolt. So you're going to need that size 17 socket to remove this bolt to drain the oil. And don't forget to remove and replace that washer right there and put back together. And then we're going to come back over here and remove the filter. Alright, so we're done with underneath the car. Everything's clean, tightened, put everything back together. Now we're going to pour the oil in. 5 quarts, just under 5 quarts. We're going to check with the dipstick and then we're going to reset the oil light. Alright, so we're inside of the car. To reset the light, we're going to press the setup. Then we're going to press vehicle and then cluster, and then service interval. So then you press reset time and distance. Yes, so it's resetting. Service interval has been reset. Alright, so we're done with another easy DIY that I'm pretty sure all of you guys can do at home. The Kia Forte was probably the easiest oil change I have done so far on the channel. If you need any of those tools or parts that I've used in this video, I'll link them in the description below. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.